Hello everyone. In the first tutorial, we have given an introduction about the MathCAD program, and today we are trying to clarify how we can use the MathCAD program to plot a function or a variables. If we have one variable and if you have some points for one variable, if you want to compare two variables together. Hopefully we can use the MathCAD in both cases. In the beginning, for example, if you want to use the MathCAD for making the plot for a simple function, for example, fx equal to 3x plus 3, sorry, 2x plus 3. Okay, if we want to make the graph or plot to this function, here we have this toolbar, and we can use this icon to make the plot. Here we can use, we should write fx, and this is, it means the y coordinate, sorry, and this is the x coordinate. Okay, it's clear. So it's very easy. Immediately it will give us the plot of this function. Or even we can, if you want to change, for example, this one to 2, sorry, the 2, immediately it will change the graph automatically for us. So even if we have two functions together, for example, we have yx equal to 2x plus 1. At the same time, we can plot both function fx and y together. How? So just come to here, okay, and press comma. It will give you another place to write the next function. For example, we are writing, now we have yx, and immediately it will show you the plot for the fx and the y function. Okay, this is how we can use the MathCAD program for making the plot for fx or yx or any other function. But if we have some values for one variable, and if you want to compare, or if you want to compare another with another value, how we can, again, we can use the MathCAD program for that one as well. So how? Here I have some data which I prepared, and it's up to you how, but it's very important. You should use the vector to make the values. For example, we have the h, a variable, equal to, if we have some, for example, we have 10 values for one variable, we have 10 rows and one column. Okay, in that case you should write like this, then you can make the graph for your variables. Okay, now we have these two values, and I have copied to here. So now I will make a graph for these two variables. I'll come to here, just write p here and z in the y coordinate. This is capital, sorry. In this way, you can use the MathCAD program to compare two values together, or even you can change the place. For example, you can write the z here, z value, and z and p. sorry, this is small. Okay, so you can use the y coordinates for z or x coordinate for p. This is up to you. And one thing left, I'm trying to teach you how you can change the format of your graph. Okay, here we have some options to change the format of your graph. For example, about the axis, we have these options. For example, sometimes you need to make the log, uh, or when you need to change one coordinates to the log scale. Just tick this one, the first one, and apply. It will automatically, it will be the log. And if you want to change even the y scale to log, it will be log log plot. Okay, or if you want to use for semi-log as well, in both cases you can use. Or if you want to use a grid lines, you can use. Okay, it's very easy. Just change the tick this square next to the grid lines. It will show you the for x and y axis as well. And if you want auto grid, it's the increment. For example, if you want to have a 3, for example, now we have automatically it will give you the increment and the grid. You can change it to 3, or you can change to any number which you want. This is for x-axis, and here we have for y-axis, change to 10. If you want to change the grid or any modification, if you want to apply any modification to the y-axis or x-axis or anything, even boxed or none, just you can find all the modifications here easily. Okay, now if you want to change the color or the lines, here we have some option. For example, this is the line weight. You can make it bold more than the normal, and you can change the from the straight line to dots, for example. See here. And even you can change the you can change the color. For example, you will change to the purple. This is very easy to change the format of your plot, or the number here you can change to the scientific or decimal or anything. And another thing, you can label your graph here. For example, you want to name your plot, for example, pressure, or any name. No, sorry, it's better to any title. And even you can label your x-axis. For example, we have pressure, and here we have temperature, for example. See, here we have the title, the y coordinate is s, the temperature, and the x coordinate we have pressure. Okay, so this is how we can use the MathCAD program for making the graph, either for function or to make the graph for variables. And we have explained how we can change the format of our plots here for x-axis, y-axis. And I hope this video it will help you to find out how you can make the plot. And if you realize this video is helpful or it's beneficial for you, please support us by subscribing our channel, and thank you.